We're at Blue Hills. It's supposed to be an unseasonably warm day today, just outside of Boston in Milton, Mass. It's in the 50s right now, like 56 degrees. It's about 8 in the morning, 9 in the morning. It's supposed to get up to 64 today. We're gonna have to lose some layers soon.
There's candy canes in some of them.
All right, we had an awesome time. We just hit the tower. I think it's called the Skyline Tower. Had some good views of Boston. Crazy, we've been coming here for 4 years to Blue Hills Reservation. Never once have we been up there. It's one of the nicest ways to see the skyline of Boston.
I rolled my ankle, so I need to rest it. It's been hurting since I fell climbing Mount Ellen. And I just keep rolling it. So I just gotta walk more carefully.
Maybe we should eat our breakfast up over here.
Just ate 2 delicious, well, 1 each. We just ate egg and cheese and bacon croissant for breakfast with this beautiful view. You cannot beat breakfast with a view on the trail. Everything tastes better in nature.
We're getting to some of my favorite sections here on the Skyline Trail. We are right behind State Police Headquarters. And there's an amazing section up here where you just go down rock slabs. It's very cool and very steep. So many good views out here.
I know, and so many great climbs. $65 right now. 65 degrees Fahrenheit.
This is Blue Hills. If you live in the area and you don't have enough time to commit to actually driving out to one of the mountain chains in, say, Vermont or New Hampshire or Western Mass, this reservation right outside of Boston, it's amazing.
It's a perfect place to train.
Has a little taste of everything.
Yeah.
It totally reminds us of the Long Trail and the Appalachian Trail.